Good morning, class 10. Welcome to math class. Today we are going to start chapter 7, coordinate geometry. In this chapter we will discuss about the distance formula, section formula and how to find area of triangle. Now I am going to explain about distance formula. Distance formula. Now coordinate of P are given x1, y1 and coordinate of Q are given x2, y2. We have to find the distance between P and Q. PQ equal to, formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula to find the distance between two points. If we have to find the distance between P and Q, then we have to apply this formula. PQ equal to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now there are some useful points that we have to remember. First is, for 3 points, if 3 points are given A, B, C and coordinates are given, we have to prove that it is collinear. Collinear means points on the same line. Points on the same line. So we have to prove distance between AB plus BC equal to AC. AB plus BC equal to AC. Then these points are on collinear line. Second point is, in a square, if we have to prove it is square, so we have to prove 4 sides are equal and the diagonals are also equal. Next is, in a rhombus, the 4 sides are equal. Just we have to prove the 4 sides. We will find the distance between these 4 sides and 4 sides will be equal, then it will be rhombus. Next is, in a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal and the diagonals are equal. We have to prove, if we have to prove it is rectangle or not, then opposite sides should be equal and the length of the diagonals should be equal. Next, in a parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal. Now I am going to explain some question related to formula, distance formula, exercise 7.1. In exercise 7.1, just we have to apply distance formula. Question number 1 is, find the distance between the points 2, 3, 4, 1. Points are given, we have to find the distance. So first step is, we have to name this coordinate. Let A 2, 3 and B 4, 1. Now we have to find the distance between A, B. So AB equal to, formula is x2 minus x1 whole square, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now this is x1, x1 is 2, y1 is 3, x2 is 4, y2 is 1. Apply this formula, put the value 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square, 4 minus 2, 2 square, 4, 1 minus 3 minus 2 whole square plus 4 plus 4 8. This is root 8. We can write 2 into 2 into 2. Now from one pair we can take a single, from outside the root 2 root 2. Then answer is 2 root 2. So distance between AB is 2 root 2 unit. Next, determine the points. Points are given 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, 11 are collinear. We have to prove that these points are on the collinear line. Now for collinear, we have to prove that, first we have to give the names. First A 1, 5, B 2, 3 and C minus 2 minus 11. Now we have to find the distance between AB, BC and AC. First I am going to explain about the distance between AB. AB equal to, what is the formula? Formula is here root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Put the values, 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. 2 minus 1 1, 1 square plus minus 2 whole square, 1 square 1 minus 2 whole square 4. So it is root 5. Now distance between BC, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Put the value, we get minus 2 whole square plus minus 11 minus 3 whole square, minus 2 minus 4 whole square plus minus 11 minus 3 minus 14 whole square. We get 16 plus 196. 16 plus 196, 212. Now we can factorize 212 as 2 into 2 into 53. We can take 2 as a common, 2 root 53. So root 212 we can write as 2 root 53. 3. Now we have to find the distance between AC. AC equal to, this is x1 y1 x2 y2, points are given, put the value -2 -1 whole square plus -11 -5 whole square, -2 -1 -3 whole square plus -11 -5 -16 whole square. So we get here square root 9 plus 2 56, we get root 265. But these three distance AB root 5, BC 2 root 53, AC 2 root 265, these are not equal. Now AB plus AC, addition of 2 is not equal to addition of 2 is not equal to the third. Now AB plus AC is not equal to BC, BC plus AC is not equal to AB, and AB plus BC is not equal to AC. So these points are not collinear. So in exercise 7.1 just you have to apply distance formula. Try exercise 7.1. Thank you so much.